Hi everybody, this is Lance from ThetaTraders.com. This video I want to go over the collaboration I'm doing with Phil, and it's a new Discord where we're doing 0DTE. He has a different methodology of 0DTE. I'll show what the trade is and good profit. I personally made 12% on the day on it, even on an FOMC day. So let's show you the trade and get right to it. Alright, so the trade was made at the blue line. It was at 10:40 Eastern Standard Time. At the time, the market on SPX was around 5660 or so and change. We sold the 5600, 5595 put credit spread. I personally took in 0.8. Some people got a little bit more than that as well. So that's $80 off of 5 with. You only need 500 minus 80 or $420 to do the trade. I did 2 contracts, so I took in $160 on the trade. And the purple line, I closed it out at 0.2. It was recommended to take it out at 0.15 or a little bit after, like 5 minutes or so. But personally, since Jerome Powell was talking, I decided to close it slightly lower at 0.2 instead of 0.8. 0.15, I mean. So 2 contracts sold at 0.8, bought them back at 0.2. If you do $60 is the difference of these, times 2 contracts was $120. And profit, that was off $1,000. So that's a 12% return on the day. It's actually a little bit more than that because you didn't need $1,000 for the trade. You only need 420 times 2. So let's look at the math here. So took in 80 minus the 20. So I took in $60 per contract. Did 2 contracts, so I made $120. It was 420 buying power needed times 2 is 840. So really divide by 840. It was really 14.2% or so return on the day. So really good return for the day. If you're interested, we are doing a launching service here. You could offer lifetime services. We're only going to offer this until Friday at midnight. If you want, you could also test drive it for a monthly or 3-month trial. Link is in the description down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, or you can send me a message if you're in ThetaTraders.com. Everyone have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you on the next one.